Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Take It Simple YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create ClickUp account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the ClickUp app, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the interface shown in the screen. Now you can see there is a get started at the bottom of this screen, so let me tap on that get started. And now you can see it is asking us for our email address, so let me enter my credentials in here. Now click on next, and now you can see it is asking us to verify ourselves. So you can see there is 8985, so let me tap on the enter the code 8985. So now it is asking us for our full name, our password, and we need to confirm our password again. So let me enter my full name and the passwords. Okay, so once your credentials get complete, click to sign up or tap on the sign up buttons on in the screen. And now finally you need to tap on the create workspace, and let's skip this for now. Finally tap on the play with ClickUp, and yeah, you will be able to create your ClickUp account successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can create your ClickUp account, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.